Hi, and welcome to Weird Bits number 3. So, we've all been here before. You've got something clamped down to your milling table, and you need another one of these nuts. You need another clamp in the back here, and you need to put it in a row where there's already something. So, you can't slide this nut past the other one, so you got to take this apart, slide that nut past, put a new nut in, reassemble this side and assemble that side because you can't put the nuts in over here. Kind of a pain in the butt. The nuts all have to be fed from the opening at the end of the mill table. Here comes an interesting solution. These are called quick nuts, and they're the width of your mill table slots, but the advantage is when you go to tighten them, they rotate and the corners on both sides grab the T-slot. They're obviously not as strong as a real T-nut, but probably plenty strong for most clamping operations. They're hardened and hardened steel. They come in a variety of sizes, and I bought 2 from McMaster-Carr just to try them out. I'm going to get a bunch more because, among other things, they're just a lot more convenient. I can just pop them in wherever I need them without having to sit there and try and fish the T-nut down the slots. And if I don't need the maximum strength capabilities of the T-nut, then these are a perfect solution. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Hope to see you next time.